either one of you or both of you, are you into the whole list of resolutions or goals for the year, or do you not like to put labels on the year?
I like the idea of it, and I always come up with a really fantastic one.
Yeah.
But like the odds of me actually sticking to it are very, very slim. But mine this year is I'm trying to get on the whole like green juice trend.
Yeah.
Because Shay, who's on the show, who plays Emily, is like the healthiest person on planet Earth.
So you're trying to be healthier by drinking ripped up green stuff.
Exactly.
So kale and apples.
Not very successful so far, but I'll get there.
I like the green juice. It's pretty tasty.
Oh, it tastes like grass and dirt. I'm like, I can't. But I'm trying. Like, my resolution is to try and eat better because I love junk food. And every time they're like, try this kale salad.
What's your
I'm like, no,
favorite
thank
junk
you.
food?
I like cheeseburgers, milkshakes, and fries.
What do we? But
Are those junk food? Cheeseburgers are responsible. They can
There's
be.
a little bit of protein in there.
Yeah,
so
if you have some protein, a reasonable amount of cheese, and then if you stack up a salad on top and maybe no mayo.
It balances it out, exactly.